Okay, we have 8 different functions for the Euro mortise lock. You can see 8 different functions. From panic lock, and then the roller latch, and the standard, sash lock, entrance lock, entry lock, and then the passage latch, passage lock, and then bathroom, or can call privacy, and then the classroom lock, also deadbolt lock, and the final one is the storeroom lock, or the night latch. Okay, we have all these kind of functions, and if you need more information, can contact with us for free samples or a data sheet.